Hi, I'm Major Dan Finkenstadt. I'm an assistant professor here at the Graduate School of Defense Management at Naval Postgraduate School. Myself, along with members of the Acquisition Research Program, have teamed with Hacking for Defense this fall to work on three major problems facing the Air Force, the Army, and the National Guard. Now, the team we're using to solve these problems is not the typical team you might think of, experts and professors in areas that directly correlate to the issues at hand. In fact, we're using graduate students. We have a class in entrepreneurship and enterprise sourcing. And the students attending that class are mainly Air Force contracting officers with a few Marine officers. And we're going to use those students to solve big problems for real activities out in the world of the Defense Department. What the class is intended to do is to expose DoD graduate students to the entrepreneurial mindset, which essentially means the idea of being able to create something under conditions of extreme uncertainty. And I think anyone can attest to the fact that our students, being active duty members, are used to conditions of extreme uncertainty. But they may not realize is that they're also very creative. And you see this downrange all the time. Members are constantly innovating, designing, and deploying creative solutions to fuzzy problems in areas of extreme constraints and difficulties. But we need to make sure that that's not just happening by accident. We want that to happen by design, and we want it to happen in the academic environment, the steady state environment, not just the contingency environment. So the Hacking for Defense model for us seems like a perfect idea of how we can engage our students with projects that involve real world scenarios, real world issues, but allow them the freedom in the classroom to explore ideas with more of an entrepreneurial mindset. The key thing here is learning how to ask why and how to listen. And as Eric Rees, author of The Lean Startup, one of the books we're using, would put it, we have to learn what customers really want, not what they say they want or what we think they should want. And if we do that, we'll have done our job.